Hey loves, in today's video I'm going to be doing a full maintenance. And how long I've had this in my hair? Probably 3 weeks, going on 4 weeks. And FYI, I do not maintain my hair every day. So every day my hair is not being pressed, it's not being laid, it's not being slayed. I'll just find a way to like keep it out of my face and wear a hat or anything that'll just like keep me from putting heat on my hair. So unless I am shooting a video or have plans or I'm going somewhere, or even when I'm going to the kids' school, I'll throw on a hat. I am not putting heat on my hair. So right now I just got out the shower and I'm going to wash my hair. So today is a wash, color, and slay because Easter is in 2 days. Today's Thursday. It's in 3 days, so I want to like get this out the way so I'm not messing with it last minute. So my hair is in 2 plaits. I plaited this like yesterday. And I threw a hat on. My tracks are showing, but I had a hat on. My hair is plaited off to the side. This is a cute style if you like dress it up, like take some of your hair to cover your track, of course. This is a cute style to wear like for just running errands. Because it's a wash day, what I'm going to do is I am going to put oil in my scalp and in my hair. I've already went through like 1 bottle. It's still a little bit at the bottom, but I'm not going to even mess with that. And I'm now, since I've had this, working on my 2nd bottle between me and my daughter here, of course. And I'm going to just oil my scalp, like where my parts are, just so I can get a good treatment going in my hair. This will be great if you warm it up as well. You'll get like a hot oil treatment, but don't feel like doing that. So I'm just going to, I really don't want to get it on the tracks. I want to get it on my scalp, the area I want to really get deep down and wash my hair. So I'll show you like where I actually, what gets wet and what doesn't when I do wash my hair with the sew-in, because I don't wet like, and I definitely go around my perimeter, baby, because we ain't trying to lose no hairs, and rub that into my edges. And just rub that in, because people don't make time to like do these treatments in between hairstyles or during hairstyles. Kind of got on my face, but it's castor oil and rosemary, so it can't hurt. And so yeah, it's always good to make time to incorporate a treatment in between. So if you wear something this long, you should be doing this at least once a week, like oiling your scalp. If you can do it every day, even better, but your hair is going to be extremely greasy. Run a little bit through my braids, like in my scalp. And then I definitely like to get right down the middle of my part, because pressing your hair can thin out your parts, can break off your hair. So yeah, so it's rosemary and castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil, rosemary, and olive oil is what I use in my mixture for my hair. I do have a video on my channel if you're interested. Definitely works. Definitely preserve my edges. This baby, I should be bald, which I was actually going bald in a few places here and here, but the hair is coming back, it's catching in, but it still haven't gotten there yet. I'm a little ashy because, like I said, I just washed my face and I just took a bath, and I'm just going to pin these out of my way, and I'm going to wash these, and I'm going to wash my hair as well, and I'm going to let that oil sit on my scalp for a bit.
2 hours later.
Now it's time to wash my leave out. I let that oil sit on my hair for a while because I'm in the process, if you look behind me, of redoing my closet and helping my son with his room. He built a computer. So I got so many things going on and I am so tired. I know I look it in this video, but we're getting into washing my hair. So I just put just enough water on the area where I want it to be saturated, and I am washing my leave out really thoroughly because I be having flakes that flake up, and I'm trying to get that. I didn't want to do a detox because you can't like over detox your hair. I detoxed my hair before I did this install, and when I take it out, that'll be a perfect time to do another detox. So I am just getting in real good and shampooing my hair here. And step by step, I'll just show you guys what I do. I'm going to wash, color, press, blow dry press, and then trim my ends. So if you're interested in see how I trim my ends, that's at the end of the video. So just go ahead and stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into it. The products that I'm using today are here, and currently I'm using the Clairol's Beautiful Collection hair rinse. I don't know about y'all, this is a oldie but goodie. I use this like all of my life, and this is a temporary hair color, so it's not permanent, it's temporary. It's a rinse, so it rinses out with every wash, and it doesn't have all those chemicals in it like ammonia and hair dyes that destroy your hair. So I love this particular product. You should be able to find this at your local beauty supply. I don't know if I've ever said this before, but I love jet black hair. It's something about jet black hair that just makes your look so vibrant and so fresh. But I do want to try other colors, so I will be giving those a try on my channel. And when my grays come in real strong, we gonna go gold. So while that color sits and marinate, I'm gonna go ahead and start washing my actual extensions just by detangling it, getting my hair nice and saturated with the product, and try to go up as far as I can without wetting my actual braid down, because if you do tend to wash your whole entire hair while you do have a sew-in, after a while it does get kind of stinky. So that's why I just don't prefer to wash my braid down. I just like, because it's hard to get the whole thing dry. So I like to just wash as much as I can closest to the perimeter. So now that everything is nice and rinsed out, I'm just going to wrap it up for a while and let it sit, let it towel dry for a little bit, and start blow drying my hair at this point. And these are all the products that I am going to use. So once my hair is completely blow dried, I just went in and just pressed it out. I also use the L'Oreal Heat Protectant on my hair because, like I said before, my hair was way much fuller before I started wearing sew-ins. My hair was way more like lustrous, so I will be going back to my wigs. I think this is my last sew-in. And I'm going to just show you guys how I do glueless wigs just to get my hair thick. And then I'll probably do an amazing sew-in. But a Beyonce concert, because you got to speed into existence because we're going, honey. And so to keep my sewing looking fresh, I love to go back in and just do a all new trim. I do not like to buy long hair and cut it off. So if you see me with long hair, I'm wearing it long. And when you see me with short hair, I'm wearing it short. And when you see medium hair, I'm wearing it medium. So yeah, I'm just trimming the ends to make it look fresher and makes me feel like it's a brand new hairdo all over again. And you can wash and reset your sewing, full maintenance, and it will look just good as new.